ขอดู
Turn left, then your destination will be on the right.
The Palayana. Turn left to the parking. Where is it? Oh, OMG. Sure this is the right way?
เหรอ
I'm not sure anymore.
เหมือนไม่ใช่เลยอ่ะ
Sure. So guys, we are now at the Palayana Hua Hin. We stay for one more additional night. We cannot check in yet. It is like, how late is it? I think it's around 12. Here are the pool villas. We've never been here so far. Nice music coming from. So we just have a walk and check the hotel out. I like the style here. Nice. Very like tropical island feeling. A lot of people check out today. How much was the villa?
ไม่รู้
They were sold out, Shema. We couldn't see.
ใช่
ใช่ I think ได้ไหม ขอโทษครับขอดูขอบคุณครับ
ไม่เป็นไรเขาแค่อยาก
ไม่เป็นไร โอ้ขอบคุณครับ Oh, we're lucky they let us have a look at the 4-bedroom villa here. So they have 2 private pools. My God, that's nice. That is nice. Oh, some people enjoying themselves yesterday. Second pool, nice entrance, and also dangerous to enter.
Bedroom. King bedroom.
Oh,
Yeah.
king bedroom.
Yeah,
Oh, jacuzzi as
Yeah.
well. Amazing. Wow, that's so nice. That is nice. Wow. Beautiful.
No jacuzzi.
Go out to the.
Yeah, out the pool.
Wow, nice. อันนี้ห้องเท่าไรครับ
อันตัวนี้ตกคืนละ20,000 บาทครับ
Songmin.
อย่า
20,000 baht, so equally around 500 euro the night. Okay. Oh, very nice. Very nice from you. So we do a room tour now. What a nice atmosphere.
living room. Toilet.
Toilet, bathroom. Here also additional. Oh, สวยจังจริงใหญ่มากด้วย so big walls
มีคาราโอเกะด้วยนะ
what a nice style Thai style บ้าน Thai style
Yeah. And the living room.
living room
Yeah.
so once again guys imagine you step in here in the night that could be a serious a serious thing. They have an outdoor shower as well. Here the technique, and here's the living room. Wow.
เมื่อปลายปีที่ผ่านมาก็มีงานแต่งห้องนี้อยู่ประมาณ50 คน
โอ้50 คนในนี้เหรอ
ใช่ครับ
50 Kon.
ย่า
Wow. Can make party here, ใช่ไหม
wedding
Wedding.
ได้
Weddingได้wedding can.
ตอนแรกก็จะมาแต่งงานที่นี่นะคะ
ว่า
Sorry guys for my maybe sloppy video, but I had no idea when we entered here just to catch a glimpse that we're gonna get introduction of all these villa. So I apologize for that. It is amazing style. Really, really nice. I'm a big fan of all this wooden work. A big fan. Imagine you chill there, drink a coffee, have a beer, just relax there.
ให้ไปดูฝั่งนู้นด้วย แต่ว่าฝั่งนู้นพอดีลูกค้าไม่ได้อยู่
อ๋อ
มันเป็น3 ห้องนอน
อ๋อ opposite is a 3 bedroom
Ah,
แล้วจะมีสระน้ำอยู่ข้างบน
so over there is a 3-bedroom villa. So, wow, fast motion. Wow, Sorry, Kap, somebody be my Kap. ขอบคุณมากครับ
มีลูกค้าที่ว่าอยู่บนตึกอ่ะเขามาหลายๆครอบครัวเขาเป็นเข้าบางทีก็คือต้องรีบจองไว้ก่อนมันเป็น
So there is a 3-bedroom pool villa. ขอบคุณมากครับ Wow, super nice, huh? That was amazing, unexpected. Please, full booking for wedding. Yeah, I think there is or used to be the pool bar. There's the beachfront. There is a pool. What is that? Very nice. You can sit here, the bull bar inside the water. I like that. I assume here's the breakfast, huh? Maybe. By the way, guys, it still feels super weird walking with the camera and filming everything. I'm not used to it. It's just like brand new experience for me. And also they're setting up the beachfront diner there. One knee, one D, be my tongue fa. One knee, one D, be my tongue fa. จะใส่ปัจจัยสุขสันต์ This is a Thai New Year's Eve song. Kitty, hey! Big waves today again. It's windy. Look at the flag, then you can see it. Ah, here's also a pool bar. Views. is this the Sheraton already? I'm not sure because the Palayana is next to the Sheraton, so I assume the Sheraton would be that one. I'm gonna check that out later. Totally nice. The swimming pool is a bit small compared to the size of the hotel, maybe. But on the other hand side, since there are a lot of villas with a private pool, so is totally okay. They're still in the process of cleaning from yesterday, I think. There was a big nice party. Of course everyone wore the mask and distancing as much as possible. I like the color of the pool and the stones here.
The hotel also have a bakery, a spa and a gym. Since this was more or less a one take, we couldn't cover up all the areas properly and it was totally unexpected for us. I hope you enjoyed that fast room tour and see you in the next video.